Hello dear children, in this video we are going to learn about phonetics. So let us begin. A axe, A ant, A B ball, B banana, B C cat, C camel, K D dog, D duck, D E egg, E elephant, F fan, F fox, F G gate, G grapes, G H hat, H house, H I ink, I igloo, E J jug, J joker, J K key, K kite, K L log, L lion, L M mat, M monkey, M N nose, N nest, N O orange, O ostrich, O P pan, P pot, P Q quilt, Q queen, R rose, R rope, R S sun, S star, S T tap, T train, T U under, U umbrella, V vase, V violin, V W wall, W watch, X X-ray, X box, Y yak, Y yo-yo, Y and the last Z zip, Z zebra, Z. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.